Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have this 2003. It's a Mercedes-Benz ML500, and we have the problem with the ABS. As you can see, the customer put some black tape here because they didn't want to see the light, annoying light. And we have the BAS light, ABS light. So basically what happens on this car, the ABS motor goes bad, and when you're driving it, it's gonna start beeping annoyingly. I don't know if you can hear. You can hear. As soon as the car starts moving, it starts with the noise. When you stop, it stops. But this is how the car it's gonna behave. And also, you're gonna have limited brakes on the car, and it's very dangerous to drive it like this. Alright, so stay tuned how we're gonna diagnose this problem, and let's jump in right away. Let's go. Alright, so we have the Mercedes here, and as you can see, this is a used one, but it's in perfect shape. And the other one doesn't look too good, so we have to remove the lines and everything, and we have to bleed the system in order for this to work, because this oxidation it's not good for the contacts. Not good. Alright guys, so we have here already our replacement for the ABS unit, but here is the other part, and this is the original part. This is what the water did to it. It got stuck, so when I removed this thing was really stuck into here, and wasn't well, anyways, and that one's not good anymore. But let's put this one into the car and let's see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't require programming, but we'll see. And by the way, this motor is good on this because I checked it, and let me just prove it to you. I have the multimeter here, and I have it on ohms, continuous ohms. So let's put this one here. It's a little bit hard with two hands, but I'm gonna put the other one here, and we see we got 1.1, which is good. And on this one, the original one as well, we have 1.2, 1.7. But yeah, both motors are good, so this was definitely the problem. All right, let's put it in, and it's looking good. It's looking good. I already put the rear motor, so I just need to clean this up a little bit and install the front module. Alright, so the module is installed already. Everything is tight, and before I do the before I bleed the system, I'm just gonna turn on the car and make sure this thing is working. So let's go and turn it on. Alright, so the customer still has some stickers here because he was annoyed of the lights at night, so he put black tape on this thing. That way he doesn't have to look at the lights of the ABS and all that. So this is pretty smart, I guess. Alright, so let's turn it on. Just open the switch, and we're gonna see if we have some codes. Right, the switch is on. We have all the lights flashing. Usually all the lights are gonna be on, so until you turn it on, you're gonna see if we have some lights off. But for this, we're gonna first read the codes. Hopefully we don't have any codes anymore, but just gonna check really quick. Alright guys, so let's go to the module. I have the module here, and let's see if we have codes. If we have codes, then that means that, well, first I want to read, if it doesn't have codes, then that means the module is switchable. You don't have to program the bin number or something like that. So let's see, and we see we have no fault codes, so we should not see the light when we turn on the car. Let's see, and we see we have no lights, but I have the brake on. I have the brake light, so I have to just, I have the brake light because the fluid level is not there. But yeah, this actually fixed the problem with this car. We don't have the lights anymore, so it's completely fixed. And the module, it's switchable. If you have the same lights that I showed you when I was driving the car, it could be either the motor behind, or it could be the module. Like in this case, it was the module because of the water. It got oxidated because of the this reservoir, the washer was up there, and it broke. So all the water fell onto the module, and that caused the module to fail. So yep, this was pretty much it, how to fix the annoying beeping light on this 2003 to Mercedes-Benz ML500. And I hope you liked the information. I hope you are gonna save a lot of money this instead of taking it to the dealership and pay a lot of money. Just get a used one, a good one, and you can install it yourself. It's not that hard. You have to remove only the headlight and pretty much work from there. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already put the wiper windshield inside, and I had to remove this line. The line goes to the condenser, and we have to use a machine. That's why I have the loud noise right now. So I have to use the machine to suck the air and recharge it again. But you don't have to remove the fuse box, just this hose. And be careful with this little hose right here, this one, because I broke it. So that thing is very delicate. And yep, pretty much it. If you like the video guys, comment down below, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
I got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We gotta be